This is Mars, the red planet. The signature red color comes from rusted iron minerals in the dust that covers the planet. From close up, Mars looks more like a butterscotch pie. While it has pretty colors, the surface of Mars is not very hospitable. The atmosphere is extremely thin and consists to 95% of carbon dioxide. It is very cold. The mean temperature of Mars is minus 60 degrees Celsius. Mars has lost its magnetosphere and is constantly bombarded by cosmic rays. However, there is still life on Mars. To find it, one has to dig a very deep hole. "10 or 12 kilometers below the surface, the only light comes from bioluminescence. Without light, there is no photosynthesis, but temperatures are above zero, and atmospheric pressure is sufficient for permanent liquid water. The elves that live here in the cracked crust of Mars are called Chemolithoautotrophs. They use chemical energy to produce food. There are many different tribes. Here we have a look at the acetogenic elves. These elves use carbon dioxide and hydrogen to produce acetate, a key substance in metabolism. Carbon dioxide is released during the weathering of carbonate minerals or simply by heating water that is saturated with carbon dioxide at low temperatures. The elves have to make sure that the water circulation in the cracks is unhindered. To free the waterways of stones and mud is a hard work that never ends. Luckily, the elves can call strong helpers, the mole crickets. On Mars, water in about 10-kilometer depth has a temperature of just above freezing point and is maximally saturated with carbon dioxide. At 20 kilometers depth, the water is 40 degrees Celsius warm, and carbon dioxide is released. The elves have found a carbon fixation pathway to convert carbon dioxide into acetate using hydrogen as electron donor. To guarantee a controlled release of carbon dioxide for the carbon fixation process, water temperature and atmospheric pressure have to be constantly monitored. Carbon dioxide is now accumulated in the cells in sufficient quantities. What is still missing is hydrogen that is produced by serpentization in the elven mines. In deep, isolated rocks, the elves can obtain hydrogen from several geological processes, including serpentization. This is a process where ultramafic rocks, rich in olivine and pyroxene, react with water, leading to the formation of serpentine minerals. During this reaction, hydrogen gas is produced as a byproduct.
Du
With carbon dioxide and hydrogen ready, reactions can be started. After so much work, finally, food is ready.
Paistab, unustame mure, südame sollaid, hakkasin tunnetame, kutsmine kõik, liiduma meid sõpruks. Se äänes dajebukur aber hetule sakastan shimerunda sutule posvimei serutjaba.
All these wonders occur hidden deep in the crust of Mars. But future expeditions might unravel the mysteries of the beautiful red planet.